Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, you have not subscribed, please support me by subscribing. Let's solve this math. 5 minus 15 is equal to what? Minus 10. There's times here. Times 5 minus 15 what? Minus 10. This will cancel this. 10 times 10 will give us 100. But this answer is not correct. According to board mass, order of operation, we have to solve the bracket first, then multiplication, addition, then what? Subtraction. So 5 minus 15 will give us what? Minus 10. There's times here. Times 5 minus 15. Now, minus 15 times minus 10 will give us what? Plus 100 and what? 50. Then we plus this 5 with it. When we plus this 5, 5 plus 150 will give us what? 155. This is our final answer. So our answer therefore is what? 155.